Hi, do you have some kind of tingling pain that's radiating up around the knee and the feet and toes and you don't know why? Well, come try some 12 Treasures Qigong with me. Hi, my name is Eileen Jong and I'm a licensed acupuncturist here in the Silicon Valley Bay Area and a medical Qigong teacher and herbalist. So please come try a little bit and get your energy moving. Here, today is day 6 of my 28-day February self-love Qigong challenge. And we start with the padding. And today we're doing it standing. We did it seated yesterday. We're alternating seated and standing for our different communities here. And 12 Treasures Qigong is a Qigong system that my Qigong master, Dr. Bing-Kun Hu, came up with. And so this YouTube series is my reinterpretation of that system to help us move the chi better for ourselves. So if you have sometimes tingling pain, it's really nice to do this self-patting. Pat a little more in the areas that's bothering you, yeah, to activate the chi. Sometimes it is a little bit of neuropathy. Sometimes it's some kind of digestion issue. Make sure that you get checked out by your medical practitioner and following instructions. But if you've taken all that's needed for your issue, then maybe try a little extra Qigong to help. Okay, so we're doing the self-patting, a regular pattern for the Qi to come back to. This is kind of your home-based Qigong. And then maybe do a little bit of, my teacher would call this reverse, actually call this knee the do. I think of it as a reverse rowboat. So allow for the elbows to completely extend. And when can no longer extend, let yourself sink and sit into the hips so that your back shifts, your spine shifts shape from a round ball, convex to concave, to the arc. Good. Breathing's natural. Inhale, exhale. In, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good. Beautiful. And let yourself totally move at your own pace. You can slow down this video and let yourself breathe with the movement. It's your Qigong after all, so let it be at the pace that works for you. Good. And if there is something like tingling pain, yeah, whatever you don't need, you think of releasing down to the earth. Inhale, grip the toes a little bit so that the chi goes through the kidney meridian or the other feet meridians, liver, kidney, spleen, this bladder, this gallbladder, yeah, stomach channel. Just grip the toes a little bit and feel like you're absorbing nourishing chi back up to you. Okay, so again, extend and open the elbow till it can no longer open. Then let your hips sink and sit, allowing the low back to become like a round ball. Good. Nice. And 3, 2, 1. Then you can let yourself switch over to the forward circle. Forward perpendicular circle to the ground. My teacher would say that this is in the direction of riding a bike. And this one is the forward rowboat. Rowboat. Exhale, release. Inhale. So X, a little bit accent. Inhale helps the chi come back up. Good. Inhale. Exhale. All right. And 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Pull down the chi or chi shower, front, back, and sides at the same level. Relax. Relax and down to the earth. And then now we absorb back from the earth to become a big, 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 big guy, standing, sitting. Inhale. Exhale, lifting the chest and sternum. Yeah. And so as you lift the chest and sternum, also expand your trunk, right? So instead of just try to lift, right? That's not doing too much for you. You just extend and expand up, out. It gives more space for your organs to move, to breathe, to vibrate, and let the chi flow to regulate the energy, the life force, subtle energy. Good. Beautiful. And 3, 2, and 1. Let's pull the chi down, run back and sides. Thank you very much. So that concludes today. So if you like, please comment, hashtag 12TQG, like, subscribe, and I'll share it if you want. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Love to all the world, guys. Bye.